guys, welcome back to this course. This is basically the second episode of the graphic design course. Yes, and today we are going to look at other things. Last, in the last episode, I explained how to download the app or how to get the app, and we saw some basic features of the app as well. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you see the description you see the link in the description, sorry, then you can check on it and download it. Okay, but for today we are going to look at some basic things we can do with the app and try to see how we can do in creating some artwork. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move on to the main work for today. So you move to your create menu. Okay, so the create menu is found at the bottom. You just select it and you choose the size of the project you want. Okay, so we have various sizes ranging here. We have the standard flyer size, the Instagram square that fits perfectly into your profile pictures of WhatsApp, Facebook, and other places as well, since it's a square. Okay, we have other so many sizes for your devices. Okay, so you just choose one and you are good to go. So let's go with a 3:4 or 3:4. So you just tap on it. Okay, then it opens it. Now we are going to look at two main things today. That's the selection of the background. Okay, using basic colors and pictures in the background and looking at how the layers. I'll explain to you a little bit about how the layer panel works. Okay, so that next time when we are working with the layer panel, you get a bit feel about it. So in order to select a background, okay, you can just come to the background option we have at the bottom here. You see, before we move there, let me move you through the main buttons. We have the add text, the add image, the background, the graphics, shapes. Then when you move to the right side, you see text art and what my art. Okay, but we are going to use the background button here. So you just tap on it. Okay, you wait for it. I told you last time it needs internet access in some areas. Okay, this app was designed to give you so many features as a search engine has. Okay, you can basically find some pictures there already or some nice creative colors there. Okay, so you let's just wait for it. So here we have our background here. Okay, so in the first button we have pick your own. You can choose to make it transparent. You have custom. We have some basic colors here. The custom color you can select from an RGB color box. Okay, so let me open it and show you. This an RGB color box. You can pick any color you want from here. Okay, just select any color, then you go. Okay, so let's say we pick this color. You see we have it in our background here, and we can go back. Maybe we don't want this, we want a different background. Okay, okay, we have the service as well. With the service, you let's wait for it to load up so that we see how it works. Okay, yeah, so these are the services, some pictures of basic service. Maybe if you are making a flyer for a business, you can use an idea like this or a picture like this as the background. Okay, then we have cities and places. Okay, so cities and places, they are all pictures of some cities and places. Okay, we have creative patterns. Okay, so another picture filled with patterns. Patterns are just some repetition of some artworks. Okay, that fills out the entire place. You can choose any of them and you see it in your artwork. Let's go with this first one here. So you just tap on it and you see it here as a pattern. Okay, so in there are so many backgrounds. You can just go through and you see so many backgrounds in this application. You don't normally need to go to Google to search for what pictures, okay, before you can use them as background. You can even use pictures from your phone gallery as well. Just insert them here. Now let's go back. Let me explain the layers for you. In graphic design, most graphic design apps, okay, helps us to design. When I talk about layers, okay, layers is simply when something has been arranged in order, one on top of another. Okay, for example, maybe back in school time, whenever we have exercises and the teacher takes up our books, they arrange the books in what layers. One will be on top of another. That's the same with graphic design. All the works we do are in layers. So maybe in the course of the work and you want to pull one work down, or you want it to be behind one specific layer, then you can easily get it that way. Okay, so that's the main function of the layers. We'll be working with that a lot. Is the third button on the top. It has been highlighted. Yes, I can see that, because the main reason it has been highlighted is because we haven't inserted anything on the background yet. Okay, the layers normally work when we start inserting the shapes and other objects. Okay, this is the only thing we have, the background picture, and it is not, it's just a flat image, nothing is on top. So the next time we meet, I'll make sure we go through how to insert some shapes, some images and other stuff as well. I don't want to make this video long so that it will make it easy for everyone to download, so that next time we all get access to another video and learn from it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.